Are you having problems that your Deepsearch AI app is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing we're going to do is to firstly close the Deepsearch AI app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down and then you're going to click where it says General. So click on General. And as you can see, it should now take us to this page, which is great. So on this page, scroll down again, and then you're going to click on Storage. So click on Storage, and then we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to keep waiting here, as you can see. And now when it's done, just swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on Search. Search for Deepsearch here, as you can see, and just click on it. Then you're going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds in here for it to actually click or say reinstall app. So just click on reinstall app. And now you're just going to simply wait for your Deepsearch AI app to completely update. As you can see, it says loading here for me. Just wait for it to completely update, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.